Hey, how's it going? Today I'm unboxing the Pulse 3D wireless headset for the PlayStation 5. In my last video, I unboxed the HD camera. You can take a look at that here. Today I'm unboxing this headset. PlayStation wants you to prepare for a new generation in gaming audio with the Pulse 3D wireless headset. Pulse 3D wireless headset for PS5 and PS4. It'll work with. Surround yourself in 3D soundscapes where you can send sounds above, below, and all around you. Contents, you got the headset, wireless adapter, USB cable, audio cable, and my favorite, printed materials. How games were made to sound, you got a wireless adapter, built-in rechargeable battery. Time to open it up. Neat. Printed materials. Some more printed materials. This little package here. You have your 3.5mm headphone jack, your USB adapter, and USB type A to C connector. Here is the headset. Very unique, very different design. This has the same sort of design scheme as the PlayStation 5 and the rest of the accessories that come with it. I mean, right, you have white being the main color with the contrast in black to match it. For this headset, the strap adjusts. Now, I'll compare that to the PlayStation 4 gold headset. Very standard looking headset. But with these ones, actually, each earpiece individually adjusts. So, kind of put it on, adjust it that way. This one is different. So instead of the earpieces adjusting, you put it on, and it will adjust up and down through the middle section. But this is very comfortable, actually. The wireless adapter is useful because you don't need to use a 3.5mm jack, and because of the built-in battery, this will last up to 12 hours. Now, according to PlayStation, the headset has been fine-tuned for 3D audio. It's powered by Tempest 3D audio tech. The PS5 can put you at the center of incredibly immersive soundscapes where it feels as if the sound comes from every direction. Has dual noise canceling microphones, one right here on the headset, one right here. All of the easy access controls on the left side here, much like the gold wireless headset. In fact, pretty much all the controls are in the same place. This off. Now, one thing I was kind of interested in, will this have the same texture and pattern? So the PlayStation 5, the DualShock controller, the charging station, the HD camera all had that same embossed pattern, and it looks like just on the underside here of the headset there's that same embossed, triangle, square, X and O pattern. Obviously gonna have to zoom in to find that one. Very comfortable though. Unfortunately, I won't get to test out the finely tuned 3D audio because I don't have a PlayStation 5 right now. But I'm looking forward to November the 12th when PlayStation 5 comes out. I'll be able to test it out firsthand. That is it for this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything you would like me to test out or try, leave it in the comments below. Hit the like button if you like this video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. On the road to 20 subscribers. Until next time, take it easy. Peace.